Kasi I think naman, bago pa na mag-start yung season, na-establish na namin with everyone na game itself has pressure na rin kasi talaga. Mga playing up there, given yung mga circumstances ng mga nangyari last season, given yung mga bagong teams na nakikita natin, lalo na ngayon second leg, yun nga, yung win streak, as you did mention. I think yun yung sa mindset lang din ng players na we really don't mind. If we get it, it's fine, it's good. If we don't, we just move forward, that's it. Saying again, it will never dictate kung ano yung scenario ng finals. It's not sure. I mean, we actually had a discussion last night about it. I think it was way back season 8, I think. No. Season 9. Nung nasa Omega pa kami. Pinakita ko sa kanila, we were, I think, 6th place nung regular season. Pero mabot pa kami ng
Second, runner up.
And sabi ko sa kanila, look at Blacklist. Sakto kakatalo lang nila sa Blacklist. They could be that team. So, yun nga. Mas mahalaga pa rin na instead of, focusing on the win streak, let's just focus on improving individually and as a team. So, I think naiintindihan naman.